Here is your warm-up for the 6-week challenge. We start with 8 squats. Abs are engaged. Your spine stays in a neutral position. Now we go to stick-ups. Once again, neutral spine, abs engaged, reaching all the way up and pulling back down. Warming up the shoulders. Now here's a total body extension. Quarter squat down, swinging up, rising onto the balls of your feet. Knee raises. Now it's very easy to bow forward on these, so keep elevated. Lift your chest, shoulders back and down. Now add the knees, helping to engage the abs. And going back into the squat for your second round. You may find that you're able to squat a little bit more deeply now. Keeping the head in line. Reaching up, shoulders getting warm. So important to keep mobility in the shoulder. And total body extension. Getting the entire body involved in movement. One of my favorites. I'm putting my hands behind my back here because it helps me keep my shoulders back and my spine neutral. And once I establish that movement, I add the arms. For a little bit more intensity, get a little bit warmer, a dumbbell swing. Of course, if you have a kettlebell, you can use a kettlebell. But a lot of us only have dumbbells available, and this is a great way to increase the warmth of the body. I hope you'll use this warm-up before you lift, before you dance, or just as a way to get up and moving in the morning as a wake-up call. Keep moving, stay healthy, and have fun. And visit sugarfreedom.com.